What's going on, team? It's Caddy with Money Investing. I hope that you all are having an amazing day. So in this video, I will give you guys a quick update on the S&P 500 futures. And the reason I'm recording this right now is because I want to identify and highlight a very key level of resistance that we are approaching right now. As always, if you guys enjoy this video, please make sure to drop a like because it really helps out with the channel and recommends this video to other people who might be interested in watching. Also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future market updates. So right now we're looking at S&P 500 futures and the market is essentially ripping through. We're up close to about 80 basis points since the markets opened at 6 p.m. on Sunday night. So going back as far as June 12th, you guys can see we had this huge sell-off in the markets. Then we did gap up on Friday, but then essentially we sold off, making lower highs and lower lows. And this is going back as far as June 11, June 12th, right? So the first couple weeks of June. And then the markets gapped down, found support at 29.20, and then rallied all the way back to its resistance at 31.50. And the reason why I mentioned this 31.56 level as such a key level of resistance is because not only has it bounced off of that level, getting rejected and pulling back close to about 2.6%, but that's also a level where the S&P 500 is trading today, which we will go over in just a minute. But over the course of the last couple weeks, you guys can see that the market's essentially consolidating, validating its resistance at 31.45 to 31.56, kind of like in that range because we have hit that level multiple times. And then more recently, this right here being the bear cam within which the futures have gotten rejected not once, twice, but 3 times. But it was also making lower lows. You guys can see the downtrending channel within which the S&P 500 futures was bouncing off of, right? So if I were to highlight this level right here, and then again this right here is where the S&P 500 bounced off of, and then more recently this right here, it bounced off of this lower low, and then again on June 26th when the S&P 500 futures bounced off of these levels. So it's so clear to identify a clear resistance at 31.44 to 31.56, and then a support which is a downtrending support, essentially making lower lows. When the markets did rally all the way back up, we again touched 31.56 for the second time, and again it got rejected at that resistance, essentially pulling back. And now you guys can see that we just broke out of the 31.56 level. So we are now up close to 90 basis points, trading at 31.57. So that is a really key breakout that we have been waiting for now well over 3 weeks. Going back as far as June 16th is the last time when we hit that level. So it's really interesting to witness this breakout live right now, since again the futures market is open and trading, and you can see when they opened at 6 p.m. today, we've not had a single red candle or a sell-off candle in the last 4 hours. So that's really interesting, and I wanted to bring to your guys' attention. That means the market can potentially gap up tomorrow, unless of course something changes overnight. But that being said, it's looking like a green Monday, but anything can happen. And if the markets do pull back, and if this resistance holds and we see a false breakout out of this channel, then we can essentially dip back down to 31.46 or even retest further lows. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick update. I wanted to record a quick video just going over the S&P 500 futures as what they are doing, and also go over some previous support and resistance levels and how the markets have performed over the last few weeks. So as always, if you guys did enjoy the video, please make sure to drop a like. It really helps out with the channel and recommends this video to other people. Also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future market updates, videos related to investing and technical breakdowns. As always, happy investing, and I will see you guys next video.